This is Rod from Mount Washington Sewer and Drain Cleaning. We're at 1689 Riverside Drive in Berlin, New Hampshire. We're here for a maintenance of a sewer line. We had done this sewer line back in April of 2017. It is now July of 2024. This was pre-recording when this was done and pre-flex shaft. So we're looking at roots already right in here after the first connection, it looks like, of the cast iron pipe. So we're going to assess the condition of this pipe before sending anything down there to clear that out. Yep, roots right there too. Looks like the pipe might be sagged right here too. And then we're out. Oh yeah, we got ourselves a lot of roots in there. So I'm 65 feet. Okay. Tremendous amount of root in there. This is Rod from Mount Washington Sewer and Drain Cleaning. We're at 1689 Riverside Drive for part 2 of the this is part 2 of the sewer inspection. The first one was prior to the cleaning. This one is after. We are 57 feet out to the city connection. Right here, everything appears to be pretty good. Drop right in there. Everything seems to be flowing just fine. Come up here and check the area. There was massive amounts of tree roots in this area here. This whole area was completely loaded. The pipe was completely loaded full of pipe. As noted, we had cleared this sewer back out in 2017. Looking a lot better. We're going to head back towards the clean out the basement. It is clay pipe. There is some sagging, and we'll note that on the way back. Those are my flex shaft chains. Tremendous amount of root in this pipe. sag right here, about 26 feet out. I did run the chains through here, didn't feel anything. That's my foot shaft cable right there. Almost 10 feet of sag pipe. A little bit of an offset right here. This will eventually cause a sinkhole, causing a void, causing that pipe to eventually drop. You can see right there it's leaking through the joint. These are tremendous roots as well. Actually start to smell the city now. Somebody calling. And ready to exit the pipe. That's just some of the root that we pulled out of there, but the majority of it all washed out. That concludes the cleaning and inspection.